How to create a paypal.me link to receive payments on PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create a paypal.me link to receive payments on your PayPal account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in this hospital you'll have to type for paypal.com. So simply you have to search it, and after that you will be able to see the official login page of PayPal. So from here you'll have to tap on this login option just at the top right corner. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to log in with your account. Alright, tap on not now, so we have to open it on browser, not on the app. Alright, so after you open the PayPal with your account on the browser, you have to just tap on the three line just at the top left corner. Okay, so now from here tap on setting icon just at the top right corner of that section. Okay, so now from this profile section you will be able to find the options like get paypal.me. So if you have completed your all of the procedure to create your PayPal account, you will be able to see the options like get paypal.me link. So simply you have to go that option, and after you tap on that option, a link will be generated for your PayPal account to receive payments. So from there you can easily share that link to receive payments on your PayPal account. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.